Do you know how ChatGPT can be a game changer in simplifying your daily routines, starting from answering your questions to suggesting delicious recipes based on your taste? Hi, welcome to WebTech AI YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT and uncovering how it can help us in simplifying our daily routines. Whether you are a student, working professional, or just someone looking to make life a bit smoother, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore the 7 practical uses of ChatGPT that can genuinely enhance our day-to-day experiences. All of this with the free version of ChatGPT 3.5. So let's understand the power of ChatGPT and make life easier together. Let's get started. Content generation. Let's talk about the magic of content generation with ChatGPT. From crafting effective emails to drafting detailed essays and creating professional documents or even a quick 5-slide presentation, ChatGPT can be your writing companion in all of them. Here are some prompts to get started. Suppose if you need to write an email asking the timeline extension for the current project to the manager, simply you can provide a prompt like compose an email explaining the status of my work and asking to increase the timeline for the current project to the manager. ChatGPT will generate a beautiful email for you. If you feel the email is long and difficult to understand, simply you can ask. The email should be simple and short without missing the meaning in the above provided email. ChatGPT will provide you a simple and short email for you. Similarly, you can ask for creating an essay as well. Suppose if you want to create a document regarding the benefits of including AI model like ChatGPT in your company, you can simply give a prompt like draft a detailed document outlining the key features and benefits of including AI models like ChatGPT in our company. It will generate a beautiful document for you. Suppose if you need some more content or need to change something in the provided response, you can always extend the conversation providing your exact requirements. In here, if I want the content page for the document, here in the same window I can ask provide me the content space for the above document. It will provide the content page for your document. Similar to this, you can ask for generating essays, PPTs, books, short film stories, quotes, whatever. All you need to do is to provide a clear information to ChatGPT on what exactly you want to get the most relevant response to your questions. Summarizing. Now let's move on to the art of summarizing. Whether it's a lengthy articles, legal agreements, research papers, or anything, ChatGPT is good at simplifying any information. You can simply copy the information you want and ask it to summarize. Here are some prompts to try. Suppose if I want to go through this article and I don't have a time, then simply I can copy the entire article and paste in ChatGPT and ask it to summarize. ChatGPT will summarize it for you. Suppose if you want the summary in a bullet point, simply you can ask provide me summary in 5 bullet points. ChatGPT will summarize you in 5 bullet points. Similar to this, you can understand complex research papers, any agreements in short time. All you need to do is to copy the text that you need to understand better and ask ChatGPT. Guiding assistant. Do you need assistance in planning your next trip or cooking a delicious meal or finding a great book to read? ChatGPT has got you covered. Here are some of the prompts to explore. Suppose if you require a trip planning, you can ask ChatGPT to help me plan a week-long trip to Goa, suggesting activities and recommendations. ChatGPT will provide a plan for you. Or if you want to prepare a dish with the ingredients that you have, you can ask ChatGPT to create a simple and tasty Indian recipe using chicken, eggs, tomatoes, and onions. Consider I am new to cooking and give me detailed recipe. ChatGPT will provide a delicious recipe for you with the ingredients that you provided. Similarly, you can use it for any book or movie recommendations or whatever thing that requires guidance. Teaching. Now let's tap into the ChatGPT teaching capabilities. Whether you are looking to grasp a new programming language or learning music or solving complex problems, ChatGPT can be your virtual tutor. Here are some of the prompts to initiate the learning process. Suppose if you want to learn a new programming language, you can ask ChatGPT, provide a beginner-friendly explanation of Python programming concepts. ChatGPT will provide the explanation of the Python programming concept for you. And if you want to learn a guitar through ChatGPT, simply you can ask, offer a step-by-step guide for beginners to start learning to play the guitar. ChatGPT will provide the instructions for you. Before moving to the fifth one, there is an important thing that I need to mention. It is always better to open a new chat for any new prompt that you want to enter, irrelevant to the current existing prompt. Because as mentioned in the earlier video, ChatGPT uses the context window to give the better response. If you haven't watched my previous video, I'll provide the link in the description down below and the cards above. I highly recommend you to watch that video for understanding tokens context window for getting the better responses. Now let's move on to the 5. Exam and interview preparations. Whether you are preparing for a crucial exam or a job interview, ChatGPT is there to assist you. It can aid you in preparing for exams by generating study materials, explaining complex concepts, and offering problem solving strategies. Simultaneously, it can be a valuable tool in improving your interview skills as well. Here are some of the prompts to try. Suppose if you are preparing for an exam that includes data structure and you want clear understanding of complex concepts in data structure, you can ask, explain complex concepts in data structure to help with my exam preparation. ChatGPT will explain the concepts in data structure. If you are struggling to answer the basic interview questions like tell me about yourself, what are your strengths and weaknesses, you can get the help from ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT generate a response to common interview questions like tell me about yourself or what are your strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT will provide the beautiful answers for you. And beyond this, you can ask ChatGPT to be your interviewer. You can provide the prompt like you are an interviewer, ask me questions for mid-senior role for Node.js backend developer and ask me 5 questions one at a time. Provide your answer to the question once after I provided my answer to each question and then only you proceed to the next question. Once after you answer the question, it will provide its answer and move to the next question. Generate different types of output. ChatGPT goes beyond text and can generate various types of outputs. Whether you need JSON format or CSV or tabular data or ML, ChatGPT has you covered. Here are the example prompts for each format. If you want JSON response, simply you can add generate JSON data. In this example, I have asked generate JSON data of latest electric cars in India with fields, car name, brand, cost, mileage. ChatGPT will provide a JSON data for you. It can also generate CSV format as well. I have asked to convert it in CSV format and it will convert the CSV format. And it can generate ML format as well. It can also generate tabular data. I'm asking provide me final rankings of Cricket ODI World Cup 2019 in tabular format. I have asked 2019 data because ChatGPT don't have the current World Cup information as of now. By the time I'm recording this video, ChatGPT has the data updated up to January 2022. ChatGPT has provided the final standings in a beautiful table format. Coding. Lastly, let's explore how ChatGPT can be your coding companion in helping you to write code or refine your code and troubleshoot your issues. Here are some of the prompts to test its coding progress. Suppose if you want ChatGPT to design a basic login page, you can prompt like create a HTML, CSS, JavaScript code in different files for a website with black background that contain a login with user ID and password at the middle of the page with ChatGPT heading at the header and basic information of the ChatGPT at the footer. ChatGPT will generate the HTML, CSS and JavaScript files for you. You can also use ChatGPT to optimize your code as well. For that, you can provide a prompt like optimize the following JavaScript function for better performance. And I have provided one JavaScript function. ChatGPT will optimize the code for you. Not only code optimization, ChatGPT will help you to resolve your bugs as well. You can provide the error message that you got and you can ask, identify and provide a solution for this bug in my Node.js project. ChatGPT will provide the solution for you. With ChatGPT by your side, coding becomes more accessible and enjoyable. In this video, I have shown you only some of the use cases and examples, and you can try it for many other use cases as well. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If so, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more ChatGPT insight. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.